Hi everyone. Now, if you're like me, you always like to add new things in your Tesla. And, you know, you think about Alexa, that Alexa's great to have. But you know what? This is the show. It's much too big to go on a dashboard and you can't do much in it. If you then go to the smaller spot, yeah, it's still too big. Where are you going to mount this? And it looks awful. I have another way. What is it, you may ask? This beautiful little thing. So what it is the iotti, and it's AVO Boost dual port car charger with built-in Alexa. Now look at this, right? So you get the quick start guide, you get a few little disclaimers, nonsense about stuff, and then look at this beautiful little thing. Now the good thing with it is it's got 2 ports on it. So this plugs into your accessory point. That's all you need to do. It comes with either a USB-A or a USB-C charging port. So that's good too. Now the setup's quite easy. So in the instructions, QR code, which is here, is for the full user manual. So that's very useful. We'll have a look at that a bit later on. This is really good. So once you set it up, this is how easy it is to make it work. You plug it in to your little port. The ring will go blue when it's found it. It's just putting itself up at the moment. There it is. So once it's plugged in, all you say is, Alexa, it makes a beep noise. What time is it?
Like I just told the other user. The time is 8:08 a.m.
And that is it. And we're going to look in detail at this wonderful product right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla, and it's really good to have you join us on this community page. Here you'll find videos and information that's exclusive to this post. And in addition, you can follow my weekly videos as they come out on my YouTube channel.
The next question, most important question, is how much are these iotti units? And the answer to that is they're £50 and about 45 pence. And I know you're going to ask me what it is in dollars. Well, I don't know. And I'm the guru that meant to know, but I know someone who can. We'll ask Alexa. Alexa, how much is £50 and 45 pence in dollars?
50.35 IEP is about $65 US and 32 cents.
So there you have it, $65. And there you have Alexa. So let's have a look how you get it once you do it on the Tesla and what you need to do. So once you're on the screen, you want to make sure, so you go into your Bluetooth here and you turn it on, and then you make sure that you've got something in the window up there that is connected to your, mine is called the HP DeskJet, so that's where it is. And we could play a bit of music if that was working, but we'll see. We'll just turn the volume down and we'll just play it so we don't get any copyright claims. And it should be playing. Yeah, so that's working. And then if we stop that playing and then we talk to Alexa, Alexa, you hear that bing, and then you just ask what you like. Alexa, what's the temperature like at the moment?
At the moment, it's 18 degrees Celsius. Today, you can expect a high of 25 degrees.
So it doesn't just stop there, does it? Because anything you can do with your home Alexa, you can do with this unit. So if it's set to turn your lights on, you might want to just turn your lights on while you're there, or draw the blinds, or you could do a host of things, and it's all ready for you. So the good thing is you can ask it to play music tracks, because if you've got Amazon Prime, then you've got access to the Amazon library. So you could, while driving, you could say, Alexa, play tracks by Frank Sinatra.
Here's some music by Frank Sinatra on Amazon Music.
So the next question is, how easy is it to set up and what do you need to do? So let's do a QR code of the manual and go through it with you, and then you can actually see what you need to do. I love this product though, because it's so small and nice. And if you can't get this iOttie in the States, there is an alternative. Looks the same virtually, doesn't it? This is the ROAV. So I bought this from America and I had it. Now the disadvantage with this is that it's a bit fiddly to connect all the time. With the iOttie, it plugs in, it goes in, it doesn't keep asking for your phone set up and the rest of it. This keeps interrogating the phone and set up, but it works exactly the same way. So what you can do with it, you could do the same. So if you can't pick up one of those iOtties in the States and they won't send them to you, then you can actually have this. But I will research to see if it is in the States and you can have it, because obviously if it is, I will put the codes for both of these in the description so you'll have them. But without further ado, let's work in the manual now and see how we put this all together so that we can actually achieve everything I've shown you working. Let's do it. Okay, let's have a look at product setup. First, power on. Plug the AV boost into your vehicle's 12-volt power socket, then start the engine. Setup mode. Setup mode will begin automatically. The LED ring will flash orange as you are redirected to the Alexa app to add a new device. Add device. In the Alexa app, navigate to the Add Device Auto Accessories, then select ROAV Boost from the available devices and pair the device. Allow location access to make sure Bluetooth is discovered and turned on. Once the device is paired and the connection, the LED ring will flash blue 3 times before turning off. Alexa is now ready. Device will now connect automatically when it is powered on and your smartphone is in close range. To unpair device, hold the wake button, mute button, for 5 seconds until it flashes orange, and then select forget device from the phone's Bluetooth settings. It's always a good idea of updating the device's firmware via the iOttie connection app. Using Alexa. With Alexa, you can ask for directions, play music, place calls, listen to audiobook, check the weather, control your smart home devices, and so much more, all while keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road.
I don't know that.
So there you have it. As cool as the product is, it's brilliant. You can do so much with it. It opens up the possibilities of your Tesla that you never had before. I only wish Elon would put voice on our command that talks back to us. Wouldn't it be nice if when you got in the car and you said to it, and you could call it a name, the Elon one, a name, so whatever your car is, you could call it Electra, and you could say, Electra, plot in the navigation to wherever. Or it might answer and wake up and go, oh, hi Mel, where would you like to go today? And then you tap in navigation, it'd say, I'll take you there in 3 hours, and it would be so brilliant. So Elon, if you've ever watched my videos, that's a suggestion right there for you. A light bulb moment. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful to you. It's been a lot of fun making. It is on the community page. One day I might release it out to the big worldwide on my channel. But for now, you have the exclusive view of this. And don't forget, check out the comments down below. You'll have all the information where to buy it. If it's available in the States, I'll put the links up for both places for you, so you'll have all of that, and you will be able to have hours of fun. And I have to say, it's made a big difference of having Alexa in the car with you. It's like having an old friend back again, isn't it? Alexa, what can you say?
I'm glad you asked. Try saying, Alexa, who are you? Good night, or wake me up in 30 minutes.
don't forget, if you've got the charge port, people are going to ask me this question: what are the charge ports that you can use? Well, we know there are C and A, and on the C it's 30 watts of power to charge out of it, and on the A it's 18 watts. So, and you can use it simultaneously. You can use the product on the Google PlayStation as well, so it works on Android as well as Apple, so that's a brilliant thing. And I'm going to put on at the end what you can say to Alexa, but I won't put it on until the end of the credits, just in case they put a copyright onto it, and if they do, I'm going to take it off, so it's not going to affect anything. But we're going to put it on at the end, so listen to what she has to say. She sings a little tune for you, which is quite nice, telling you all what she does, so that's good too. And don't forget, we're coming up to the 31st, or it may be gone already, but just in case, if your phone has got a message on it saying that you need to update your phone or it won't work, the most important thing is the Tesla app is 3.0 to 3.9, and that means that you need to update it to 4. Now, you might just be able to just update it straight away and it won't be a problem. The only problem is if you are not above iOS 13, it won't work. And if you've got a very early phone, you need to change your phone. Or there is some things that you can do, such as a key fob, such as you can change the app. So you could have a third-party app like Tesla Remote, or maybe the actual app of Stats. And those are paid apps, so you'd have to pay for them, but they'll certainly be cheaper than buying a new phone if you need that option. But anyway, that is where you are with that. I've done a video on that showing what models are what, so I'll link that at the end of this video description there, so you'll see that. Don't forget, leave me a comment on, is this something that you're going to be using, and anything you want to ask, I'm happy to help you with that. Don't forget, leave that in a comment too, and that'll be brilliant. This video is going to be made out at the moment to those on this community post, so it's a unique video for you lot to enjoy, and I'm very happy that you are enjoying it. And obviously, if you like it, share it, views go up to a few, then maybe I'll put it out in the mainstream. But as now, it's only available to on the community post. So I hope that's been an informative video. I hope you're going to get hours of fun of having Alexa in the car. It certainly makes a pleasure of not having a big bulky thing like this fitting in somewhere in the car. Who'd want that when you don't even have to see it? You know, you close your little armrest and it's nice and clear. You don't have to worry about it. And that makes all the fun of the fair. All good stuff. Anyway, whatever you're doing in your day, enjoy it. And I look forward to seeing you on my videos that come out on Malback Talking Tesla. You will see all videos that affect your car, what's going on, and normally I bring them out once a week, but obviously I'll bring out more as and when the products come out. So if there's something that you need to know about it, I'll bring the video out so that you'll be heads up, you'll be able to work it, find out what's going on and how easy the stuff is to do. My latest video on 20.7 is out now, so if you haven't caught my video on that, please check that out, and that's good. There is a great little session there on parking. Auto park now has been improved because Elon, eventually you'll just get out of the car and it will park in a space. Now obviously up until now it would just have to go between cars. It doesn't have to do that anymore. It can find spaces anywhere, and if you go to the end of that video, which I'll put a link in the description, you'll see it doing that. Unbelievable. I was blown away. The fact that you can go in a car park, no cars, and it decides to pick up a space and put it in brilliantly. So we're getting close to when it can just get out of the car and it will park for you. That is going to be an amazing time. I know these things are getting good, and as the car, as you know, gets better and stronger as time goes on, we are very lucky to have these Tesla cars. We really are, because we get the latest stuff and you can have latest accessories, and I cover them all. And if you want to know what other accessories, I do an accessory page of all the accessories I tried. This will eventually be in it. In fact, it will be in as a unlinked page, which will goes to this, and you'll be able to get it and give it to your friend. You will be able to have hours of fun. And don't forget, I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching Mal's Back Talking Tesla. You've joined over 1,000 followers worldwide, so don't miss out on the fun. Subscribe now. It's free.
Alexa, who are you?
Hey there, Glad you stopped by. I'm your virtual assistant, your cloud-based AI. I can help you with a thing or two. Anytime you're game, get organized or be surprised, just say my name. I've got timers, reminders, alarms, lists, Bluetooth calls and messages, jokes, songs, stories, games, weather skills and Easter eggs. Get the news, cranks and tunes, hear the score. Wait, there's more. Link me to your calendar, I won't lead you astray. I'm here to save the day. I can bust a rhyme. Call me anytime.